history teacher. Let me see your transcript. And today I'm going to show you how to download and set up a TikTok video. First, we're going to go to Google Play Store. You're going to click TikTok. You're going to click Install. Sorry, it's taking a while. And TikTok is a little bit similar. I don't know if you guys remember Vine. They made really short videos. And it's similar in that aspect that instead of doing it just with with words and skits and stuff, you can do this with songs. So you're gonna open. Okay, so this is your personalized recommendation because you also can watch different TikTok videos in addition to making them. So I'm gonna do things that I'm interested in. I like animals, I like comedy, beauty, science and education, dance, music, and that's about it. Now it's telling me to start watching. So it's showing me how to swipe up, do different videos. Okay. Here, boy, getting the view. See, they added music. See a lot of people doing these with the songs. Okay. Let me see if this boy mastered it in. Okay. 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 What is he doing? Okay. So I see over here, and they have an add button. Oh, I can follow him if I want. I don't want to follow him. I can like it. Oh, I can comment on it. I can share. Oh, to my other social medias. And what is? And let me see. We got me. Sign up for an account. I'm gonna sign up. I'm gonna use my Google account. Got no followers, no likes. Let's see. Nothing I can see. What I like. I can have private videos. Oh, look at that. Tap to add the bio. Okay. TikTok bio and YouTube to your profile. Okay, let's add. My nerves. Okay, so I'll add to my bio. I am a history teacher / instructor. I'm gonna just put that for right now. Okay. Oh, I guess I can put a video to introduce myself. I'll do that later. Okay, so let's see what we can go get into, y'all. I want to know how to make a video. How do I? You know what? I probably need to allow TikTok to take pictures and record video. Allow, because that's what I wanted to do. Tap to turn on light. Allow with. Okay. I don't got nothing I wanted to do right now. Oh, so this is where I guess, oh, you can make 60-second or 15-second You got effects. Oh, trending stuff. I'm about to call my templates. Oh, you can morph. Film. Up to 4 photos. Up to 5 fancy dots. I'm gonna have to experiment and make a video. Heartbeats. Beat drop. Well, that sounds good. Okay. I had to contact my friend Kia, cause she's expert at this. This is one who's making me feel like I can go in here and do some stuff. Let's do 15 seconds. Okay, we can flip it. We can do speed. We can do beauty. Do filters. We can do time. Oh, you can do the flip with the flash on. Okay. What about sounds? What kind of sounds? Oh, we can do sounds. Oh, I like this song. Let me see if they got Patty. Let me see if they got Patty LaBelle. Patty LaBelle. Okay. Oh, if you only knew. Love, shy. If only you knew how much I do. Go around heaven all day. If this make me want to go listen to Patty LaBelle later on. Somewhere over the rainbow. Let me look at it. They don't have ABC. But she was on. Let me look at Sesame Street. Sesame Street. Nope. Okay, y'all. It's getting a little longer than I expected, and I gotta go find the song I wanted to do. That's my first TikTok video, but I just wanted to show y'all how to set it up, download, set it up. Make sure you have your ringers and stuff off so you don't have all these interruptions. Maybe put your phone on silent mode. So talk to y'all later. I'll show you my finished product eventually soon, once I call my friend Kia so I can get some assistance. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Don't forget to click like.
Sway.